Earn $100 a day in 2022. Are you confined to a work that you detest from 9 to 5? Or perhaps I should say that you detest it and detest wasting your time. Are you trying to find a new, simple, and better approach to make $100 every day? Why not conduct it online then? The internet really is the best tool for producing money in the 21st century. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some great ways to earn $100 a day in 2022. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. In this video, we'll show you some simple opportunities to earn money online, some of which you can surely master in less than 8 hours a day. Number 1. Paid surveys. Taking paid surveys is a simple internet side job you may do to earn money quickly. Did you know that there are numerous websites out there that invite you to participate in surveys in exchange for payment? Even though it's not the most lucrative endeavor, since it's so simple and accessible, it's worth a try. Don't be concerned about the authenticity of the source of income. Paid surveys are entirely legal, and hundreds of companies employ them now. The internet enables businesses to connect with people who can give them with trustworthy data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach, and this helps them improve their products and services, as well as develop new ones. Yes, you play a role in this. Giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it is what a paid survey is all about. Simply register for free on a website that pays people to take surveys online to start making money. However, watch out for websites that demand payment in order for you to use their surveys. Number 2. Independent writing. You should absolutely pursue freelance writing if you have a strong writing ability and can swiftly pick up on a variety of various themes in a short amount of time. You can earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words. However, some are less than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you can look for freelance work. Simply register and declare your qualifications as all that is required. Some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. Number 3. Post sponsored content. The definition of sponsored post is quite obvious. In essence, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, their services and/or products. You should discuss a product or a brand you like, explain how you utilize it, and let your readers know how they can gain from it as well. The niche you write about, how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, who pays you, etc., are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s each post. But if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. Number 4. Coaching and consultation. If you're an expert in a particular industry, coaching is a great way to earn money online. This often works quite well if you initially make an effort to create your brand online through your website. Once you gain people's trust and they realize they can rely on you, they will start approaching you on their own. They will be interested in learning how you got to where you are and how they may use the same tactics to their own startups or well-established firms. At first, you might feel inclined to offer advice for free, but as more people come to you, you'll be compelled to start charging for appointments. Again, the market you're in will determine how much money you will make from your sessions. Business coaches make a respectable wage of about $235 per hour, and executive coaches get an even higher wage of $325 per hour. Although less than the coaches stated above, other sorts of coaches, such as life coaches, can earn up to $160 per hour. Number 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a rather simple method of earning money online. This only works if you have a certain level of competence in the subject matter and can articulate why you are producing the ebook. However, you can also write something more concise, such as an online tutorial or guide. Meal planning and workout routines can be created if you work in the nutrition or sports niches, respectively. These days, it's really simple to promote and distribute ebooks. Yours can be offered for sale on your website, through Amazon, and of course through social media platform promotion. A specific type of digital membership that allows you to serialize your expertise or experience, provides step-by-step instructions, and constantly update the information for your subscribers is also an option. Making money in the game is not difficult if you get the hang of it. There are endless options for kinds of digital things you could sell. You could take t-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon Merch if graphic design is your thing. Amazon will handle maintaining any form of inventory or supply of genuine t-shirts, so you don't need to. All you have to accomplish is create an original design and promote it. Number 6. Google AdSense. For bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers who want to monetize their material with Google Ads, Google launched a digital advertising platform known as Google AdSense. Making money online is a strategy that is rather simple. Google will provide you an AdSense code after you sign up for the program, which you must copy and paste onto your website. That's it for now. After that, most of the work is handled by Google, and you get paid for each ad click. Naturally, the effectiveness of your AdSense program will be impacted by your specialization. In general, advertisements for financial advice, insurance, and online education bring in more money than those for electronics, fashion, retail, food, fitness, and health. Number 7. Create online courses. Similar to coaching, offering online courses requires a deep knowledge of a certain subject or set of skills. Online courses have emerged as a mechanism for people to continue learning and stay connected due to the need for social seclusion and the general concern the epidemic has sparked. As a result, your expertise is likely to be much more valued today. Number 8. Sell physical products online. It's not a bad idea to invest in your craft and attempt selling your works online if you're incredibly creative, enjoy it as a pastime, and/or are very skilled at it. Whatever it is, there is a spot on the internet for it, whether it be handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, various articles of apparel, mugs, or illustrations. These days, there are numerous online markets and shops where you can sell your handmade goods like Amazon Handmade, Etsy, Ruby Lane, Aftcraft for US users only, and Folksy for UK users only. Number 9. Work as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you may provide the support that bloggers and owners of internet businesses need. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but it's often a simple job that you can do from home. You can even provide customer service. Your employer's needs will determine the specifics of your job description. In order for a business to run properly, you'll take care of whatever your employer requires right now. Therefore, before looking at specific job offers and deciding which one you want to apply for, you should first assess the industry as a whole and determine whether you want to work there or not. Number 10. Buy and sell websites and domain names. Yes, occasionally making a lot of money through domain and website trading is possible. Check out Flippa, a service that provides websites, applications, and digital real estate if you want to look for websites to buy and then sell like online businesses. In general, trading websites are a reliable source of passive income. What's the way it works? It's actually quite easy. Owners of websites could run out of time to maintain them or get bored and switch to another one. If you don't want to create a website from scratch, you can assist with that. You can make money by running adverts that are already up and running, or you can try to buy a cheaper site and improve it so you can sell it for more money, or keep it if it generates income for you. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.